Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So for today, this is what I have for you. If you're in Nigeria, you would have been seeing a lot of brides with this headpiece. You'd have been seeing a lot of brides with this headpiece. So this is what we use for. We can use it for traditional wedding. You can do it. You can use it for white wedding. Maybe switch out the beads. So this is what I have for you today. So for this tutorial, we are going to need our wire stretcher. This is a wire stretcher. We need our wire cutter. We'll also need our 0.50 m. Okay, let me use this. We're going to need our 0.50 mm. Let me see if this will focus. Yes, we're going to need our 0.50 mm wire. This is in champagne. So we'll cut out, and also you need your bead. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use my coral beads and some crystal beads. If you want, you can omit the crystal beads and use only the coral beads. I'm using the crystal beads to give it a little bit of shine. So you can either do all crystal beads or all coral beads or whatever beads you want to use. So that's it. So let's keep this aside. So to start off, we're going to draw out a stretch of wire. If you're a starter, you don't need to draw out a really long stretch. So but for the purposes of this tutorial, I am not going to draw out a long wire. I just want to show you guys how I made this. So I'll just cut a short wire. So this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this, and I'll also be showing you how to join wire, because your wire will definitely not be enough. At a point, you have to join. So this is our beginning. We'll just, if you just bend a bit here, let's assume that this is a very long wire. The longer part will be the one you use for twisting. You just bend it. Like I said earlier, you're going to join. So once you create a loop here, you place your thumb a little bit above here and twist. Are you seeing the loop? So you shift down, twist about 3 times, and that's it. So we'll look for our longer wire. This is our longer wire. We're going to start off with let's start off with our coral bead. So you pass it through your wire. And then you gauge the length, how long you want it to be or how short you want it to be. So I'm just going to, you can use your thumb, you can use your hand, or you can eyeball the length, but just try and make it uniform if you want, or you can make some parts small, some side big. It's all, you play with the style. So this will place our bead. Let's just give it this distance, and then you bend it to the bead, then hold maybe like a little, give a gap, hold the bead and twist. You make sure you hold it tight so that it will act like a force or something, like to hold there. So you twist 1, 2. So if you want it to be longer, you move downwards and twist. Are you seeing it twisted further? So once you've twisted it, you bring this part out. So are you seeing it's very short? So I would like to twist it more. So twist it again, twist it again, twist it again. There's no number of times, it's just what you want. So this is facing this area. So I'm going to pick up a crystal bead now. This is my crystal bead, and I'll repeat the same thing I did for the coral bead. Pass it inside, give a little bit of gap, bend it. After bending it, you hold here and then you twist. Make sure this bead is at the tip, and then you twist. So we're going to twist down to reach this base here. So twist. We've reached the base. So now you're twisting the both of them together. Twist. So since I wanted this to face this way, I'll just reverse it. I'll just go back and arrange it, or you go forward, and however we just make it face where you want it to face. So now we're going to pick, I'm going to be alternating it, one coral, one coral and one crystal bead. So I've picked it. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. Bend the wire, hold this, and twist, twist, twist. Once we twist and it reaches here, you bring this one down, hold all your work, and twist, 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 twist. Are you saying? We've gotten to this area. We'll pick up one crystal bead. Sorry, I have catarrh, so my voice is not so loud. So bend it again, twist, 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 reach here, twist again, twist, 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 twist. Don't get to the down plate for completely. So we're picking up our coral, passing it through, passing it. We repeat what, remember, well, this is moving this side, so bend it, twist, 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 twist. It has gotten here. We'll twist, twist, twist. It has gotten to our, this is our line now, our beads. So now you flip it over like this. You see what I did? This is it. Flip. This is it here. So flip it here. Hold these beads like this and twist down, twist, twist, twist. Don't go too far. This is it. So this is going this way, this will go this way. That's how we'll continue. So now, as you can see, our thread, we need to join thread here. So you cut out a little bit, of wire. I don't use too much because this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm done with what I need this for. So you cut out a little bit of wire, then you loop it over here, and then you twist it. Listen, you loop it over here, and then you twist it so that it will be as neat as possible. This is it. This is it. Twist it. So okay. This space is supposed to be down, sorry, so that this new one now will be our new wire. So we'll twist it, twist it, twist it. So this is it. So we'll begin again, we'll continue again. Pick up your bead, gauge the length, press this down, hold here, twist, 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 hold it tight there, twist, twist, pull it one side, pick up our crystal bead, pass it on, give a little bit of gap, bend it, hold here tight, hold here, and twist, 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 twist. You can do it slowly, you mustn't do it fast. So we've gotten to this piece here, so we'll hold these two together and twist, 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 twist. So we'll pick up another coral bead, we'll repeat the same thing, the same process till you get to the end of your, or you get to your desired length that you want. So twist, 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 twist. We've gotten to the base, hold there, twist, 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 twist. And let me reverse it here. Then we'll pick up our crystal bead, then bend it, hold here, twist, 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 twist. Hold the base here, twist, 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 twist. So we've gotten to the main base here, and we'll twist further. Yes, and then start on the next one, the next vine. So this loop here that we created is for you to use a pin to attach it to your hair, so that it will not fall out of your hair. So this is what I have for you guys. So you continue till you get to your desired length. You don't have to use ruler and measure it. It doesn't matter. You just use your eyeball length, and then continuous practice will make it very neat. Thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and thank you guys for my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.